What's up guys and welcome back to the video. Yes, it has been a very long time since I posted a long form video. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm playing this game again. Bought this one to kind of scam me. I wanted to do Valentine's because, you know, it's February. Kind of sucks. Oh well. We're doing Scrappy New Year. Don't know why though, but okay. Hopefully I don't break the game like last time I've been playing this. Okay, I'm back. Miss T wants her New Year party to be a hit. Let's give her a hit right on her head. Oh, I see what you did there.
Francis? Check if our showstopper is working.
Oh no, it's actually we have like a New York. Okay. Hopefully we don't break this game again. The last time I've been playing. Okay, try to fall the drop bomb mechanism. What is that thing? Oil? Or it's not grab it. Ow. I'm just gonna grab a hair. And whatever this thing is. Please. Ooh, wait. I think I know what they're gonna do with this stuff. I think I know what they're gonna do. Because I need to get there somehow, but she's like right there. Oh no. No, I dropped it. Oh no, I'm so close. Oh no, I'm not so close. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh yeah, I'm so stupid. I'm so close. I'm gonna pay for it. Down there. Oh my gosh, I see that thing. I'm gonna have to find that. It's okay, I have to find that thing. I don't even know where that went. So we're going to try to track it. Oh, I stole. I don't even know where that thing is. It's going me. Oh, is he not moving? No, he's not moving. I don't know what it is.
I will make sure you'll never bother me again.
Oh, wait. Wait, why is he not leaving? Oh no, she's staying in the same spot. Wait, why is she staying in the same spot? Okay. Horrible stamina. Ah, but I'm beating you to it. I can see myself so big. Yo, I cannot get there. No matter what I do.
I will make sure you'll never bother me again.
Go, Power Rangers. No. I can't even do anything. Beat it up with a hammer. My bad friend. Oh, you mean what? Oh, the game again. Oh, never mind. I need like this.
I will hang you by your tail, you rat!
Oh, okay. Alright, at least they restarted me. So let's restart this real quick.
Francis? Check if our showstopper is working.
So that is it. Okay. So I have been departed by ads. Okay. This time, I'm not gonna sell and, throw that. Throw what I need. So first off, grab some oil. Oil the neck, just like that. Okay. Don't know why I got the hang of it. I'm thinking maybe I should just speed it up or something. Yo, this woman not leave.
Stay out of my house, you little brat!
This is the room I want to be. That sounded so wrong. Okay, not here. I wanted to find that weird device that showed me later. Here you are. Now, what are you? I'm gonna guess I need to use for whatever this weird ball thing is. Like, will you not be? Alright, yes. Got you to leave. We'll...
I will make sure you'll never bother me again!
Big enough.
What are you doing in my house,
my
you
goodness.
little brat?
Oh my goodness. Okay. Don't womp me. Okay. I'll be back. Alright guys, let me walk. Bro, just so long I made a video. I feel like the only reason why I haven't made videos is because I low-key run out of ideas. Gotta get more creative. At the same time, I'm kind of not listening to what's it called? Yo, it's actually not gonna be good. Alright. Oh no, I don't think he is. Yeah, he really is. Just walking in place. I'm so scared where you guys like coming for like this. Bro, what? Okay. So we can clearly tell he's not coming. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Okay. This thing. Okay, so we need somehow to distract her. How are we gonna distract her? Okay.
I will make sure you'll never bother me again. I will punish you, you little rascals.
That's not nice. Okay. Now next, clams and fish oil. We would have fish oil, but I had it. Okay.
I will make sure you'll never bother me again.
How do I do that? That's a good question. Clearly isn't gonna get distracted by anything. No, I threw it again. Oh my gosh, I'm so clumsy. No, I'm here. I'm so scared. Oh no. Why did this only happen to me? Where did it even go? Oh, right there, right there. What?
Something doesn't seem right here.
Screw this. Okay, that ad took way too long. I don't know why it kept going. Might cut that out. Alright. So, not doing that this time. I'm maybe the gasoline. No, maybe. Okay. At what point can we realize that? At this point, it would be easier to take the ball and leave it like that. When this woman not leave for 1 second. Put grease on it. In the baby. There's some gasoline on it. Why do I breathe so hard? Okay. Now you've got something in my throat too.
I will punish you, you little rascals.
Oh no. Hey man, stop. Hey man. Done.
I will
Oh,
get you
what?
now, rats, and skin you alive!
Oh, okay. I give up. I don't know what to do. That's it for today's video. I'll do it another time, maybe tomorrow, to compensate. Don't womp me. Clearly don't know what to do. Um, I'll I'll figure out that later though. I'll post it tomorrow probably because I haven't been posting at all. So yes. All right. Bye guys. Bye.